Good evening, students. Today we will discuss paper number 256. This is reasoning ability. How many letters are there in the word skeptical, which has as many letters between them as according to the English alphabetical series? See, here we are having one word, that is spectacle. SCEPTICAL. Now, in the English alphabet, how much gap is there? The same gap should be here. See here, STPQRS. So PS is one pair. Then IJKL. IL is one more pair. So we are having totally two pairs. So one is the correct answer. See the next question. See the next question. Study the following information carefully to answer the question. J is the mother of L, who is married to P. R is the only son of P. A is the grandmother of R. V is the only sister of L. W is married to V. H is the only child of V. D is the brother-in-law of P. J has only two children. Now here J is the mother of L. First of all, write down J. J is the mother of which person? L. L who is married to P. L is married to P. R is the only son of P. R is the only son of P. A is the grandmother of R. A is the grandmother of R. That means A is the mother of P. Then only A is the grandmother of R. Then V is the only sister of L. V is the only sister of L. W is married to V. W is married to V. H is the only child of V. H is the only child of V. D is the brother-in-law of P. D is the brother-in-law of P. D is the brother-in-law of P. J has only two children. J is having two children. That is V and L. That is V and L. Now come to the questions. This is the information we have. Now based on this, we should answer the question. See the questions. J is the mother of L. L is married to P, and this is D. Then this is R. Then this is V. Then W. This is H. This is A. Now how is D related to A? How is D related to A? How is D related to A? Son-in-law is the correct answer. Son-in-law. A is having P and one daughter. The daughter is married to D. So D is the son-in-law of A. How is H related to R? So we don't know the sex of H. Since we don't know the sex of H, we can say that is the cousin. It may be cousin brother or cousin sister. How is W related to L? W is the brother-in-law. 3 is the correct answer. Next, 5 people A, B, C, D, E, they live on different floors from bottom to top. Then 2 people are there between B and C. A lives immediately above C. D is living on one of the floors above E. Then who is living on the 4th floor? Now all of you write down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 numbers. 5 floors are there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5th floor, 4th floor, 3rd, 2nd and 1st. Now see how many possibilities we can take. There are 2 people between B and C. 2 people are there between B and C. So we can take B, 2 gaps C. We can take B here, 2 gaps C. Or we can take B here, 2 gaps C. A is living immediately above C. A is living immediately above C. D is living on one of the floor above E. D is living above E. D is living above E. Then who is living on the 4th floor? So we are having so many options. So answer is cannot be determined. Next one, 36 to 38. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. He is heavier than G and K, but not as much as F. L is only lighter than M. The one who is the second heaviest is 56 kg. The weight of the third lightest is 47 kg. K is 10 kg lighter than E. G is of 18 kgs. So all of you write down the numbers from 1 to 6. 1 to 6, write down the numbers. Now see here. L is only lighter than M. L is lighter than only M. Then E is heavier than G and K. E is heavier than G and K, but not as much as F. So it may be like this also. Then K is 10 kg lighter than E. So K is 10 kg lighter than E. G is of 18. G is of 18 kgs. G is of 18 kgs. G is of 18 kgs. So we will get F. We will get F. The one who is the second heaviest is 56. So L is 56. L will be 56. Third lightest weight is 47. Here this will be 47. This will be 47. Now we will get EGK or EKG. K is 10 kg lighter than E. K is 10 kg lighter than E. So write down E here. Now K is 10 kg lighter than E. G is of 18 kgs. Since G is of 18 kgs, G should come last. G is of 18 kgs. So here we will get K. This is K. K is 10 kg lighter than E. So this will be 37. So the arrangement is MLF E kg, L 56 kgs, E 47 kgs, K 37, G 18. Now come to the questions. See M, LF, EKG. L is of 56 kgs, E 47, K 37, G 18. What can be the weight of F? It can be more than 47 and less than 56. It can be 50. Then if M is 13 kgs heavier than E, so E is 47 plus 13, it will be 60. So 60 is the weight of M. And what is the sum of the second lightest person and M? M is 60 kgs, second lightest person 37, totally it will be 97 kgs. Who is the lightest person? G is the lightest person. Next, 39 to 43, we have to find the codes for each and every word, then we have to answer the question. See here. New released movie soon, they show regional data, film show movie data, they data of released. Now here, new released movie soon. So new released movie soon, they data of released. Here we are having released, here we are having released, here we are having KB, here we are having KB. So the code for released is KB. Released code is KB. Then new movie soon. Here we are having new, here we are having new and soon. Here also new soon. Here we are having movie. Here we are having movie. Here also we are having movie. Now what is the code for movie? Here we are having BT. Here also we are having BT. So the code for movie is BT. Then released is over, movie is over. New soon. These are the two words left out. New or soon. The code for either new or soon can be either AG or TU. AG or TU. Either AG or TU. Come to the next one. They show regional data. They show regional data. Here we are having they. Here also we are having they. Here we are having VI. Here also VI. So the code for they is VI. They code is VI. Then show regional data. So here we are having a show. Here we are having show. Here also we are having show. Here we are having data, data, data. So the code for data first. DATA, data. Here we are having PT. Here we are having PT. Here we are having PT. Data code is PT. Then show. What is the code for show? Here we are having OD. Here also we are having OD. The code for show is OD. Then they is over, show is over, data is over. We are left out with regional, we are left out with MD. So regional means MD. Regional code is MD. Come to the next one. Film show movie data. Film show movie data. Show means OD. Then movie means BT. Data means PT. Here we are left out with film. Here we are left out with CM. So film code is CM. Film code will be CM. Come to the last. They means VI. Data means PT. Then released means KB. OF off is left. OF off. And XO is left. So OF code is XO. These are the codes. Now come to the questions. See, released movie, new or soon, they, data, show, regional, film, off. So released means KB, this is BT, this is AG or TU, VI, PT, OD, MD, CM, XO. Now what is the code for new? New code is either AG or TU. The first one. What is the code for released? KB. Then what is the code for advanced data? Data means PT. Advanced is a new word. Along with PT there should be new word. So it can be PTYO. PTYO, second option. YO is the code for advanced. Then what is the code for show off movie? Show means OD. Off means XO. Movie means BT. OD, XO, BT. OD, BT, XO. Then gap off is JE, XO. Off means XO. Gap means JE. Show gap data. So gap means JE. Show means OD. Data means PT. So the code will be OD, JE, PT. 3 is the correct answer. Next. 44 to 48. Study the following information carefully, then answer the question. 8 persons ABCD, ABGLFQR, JQR sitting in a row. 4 of them are north facing, 4 of them are south facing. A is at one extreme end. G is sitting third to the left of A. Q is the immediate neighbor of G. F is sitting fourth to the right of Q. One of the neighbors of G faces the same direction as A. L is sitting to the immediate right of B. Both R and J faces north. The one who is on the immediate left of J faces north. Now this is the puzzle. We will do this puzzle in 2 cases. So there are totally 8 persons. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A is at one extreme end. So you take A here, here you take A here. G is sitting third to the left of A. So G is sitting third to the left of A. Then Q is the neighbor of G. So here you write down Q, here you write down Q here. F is sitting fourth to the right of Q. So Q write 1, see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you write down F. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you write down F. Then one of the neighbors of G faces the same direction as A. G, one of the neighbors faces the same direction as A means this will be minus. So this will be plus. L is sitting to the immediate right of B. L is sitting on the immediate right of B. So here you write down B. Here you write down L. Here L is sitting on the immediate right of B. So B plus and L here. Then both R and J they face the same direction. The one the one who is to the immediate left of J faces north. So the one who is on the immediate left of J, they faces north. Immediate left of J, they faces north. That is given. Then both R and J, they faces north direction. Both R and J north direction. The one who is on the immediate left of J, he faces north direction. So if I write J here, J plus J immediate left, the one who is on the immediate left of J also faces north. Now here, the one who is on the immediate left of J faces north direction. J immediate left, we can't take north because already Q is south direction. So this is wrong. Here we can write R. Both R and J faces north. So R is also plus. Now we should have how many symbols? 4 of them are facing north, 4 of them are facing south. So 4 north, 4 south. 1, 2, 3, 4 north. Remaining should be south. G also south, B also south. Now come to the questions. Now we will see the questions. See, this is what we got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got A, R, Q, G, L, B, F, J. This is south, north, north, south, 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 then again north. This is also north. Now come to the questions. Who is sitting? Who among the following are facing the same direction? So RQ, R plus Q plus, GB, G minus B minus, QJ, Q plus J plus, AL, A minus L minus. So all of them are facing the same direction. Who is to the immediate right of J? No one. What is the position of R with respect to A? It is immediate left. Then how many persons are there between G and L? No one. Who are the immediate neighbors of B? L, F. 2 is the correct answer. Next, if in the number 647, 82139, all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right. So left to right we should arrange in the descending order. That means 9, 8, 7, 6, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So which is remaining in the same? So only one number, that is 7. Next, study the following arrangement carefully, then answer the question. Which of the following will be 6th to the left of 10th from the left? That means 4th to the left. So count the 4th element from the left. 4th element from left is which one? 2. Sorry, 7. 7 is the correct answer. Then how many 2's are there in the series which is followed by a number greater than 5? Greater than 5 means it can be 2, 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So it is, see here, in this 28 is there, then 26. 2 digits are there. 2 is the correct answer. Next, what is the addition of 4th, 6th and 11th digits from right? So 4th digit from right, that is 7. Then 6th digit, that is 4. Then 11th one, that is 1. 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. 1 is the correct answer. Next one, if all the 2's are removed in the above arrangement, which of the following is 5th to the right of 12th from the left? 5th to the right of 12th from the left, that is 17th from left. Count to the 17th element from left. We should remove all 2's. So if you remove all 2's, count to the 17th element. See, you are removing all 2's. 4, 8, 12, 15, 16th one, 17th one is 8. 8 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. How many 5's are there in the above series which is immediately preceded by even, immediately followed by odd? So before 5 there should be even, after 5 it should be odd. So we are having only one such digit. Here we are having 457. 457. 5 even, odd. So 457. Only one we are getting. Only one. Only one is the correct answer. Next. 55 to 59 greater than lesser than. See here. S greater than X. There is no common symbol, does not follow. T less than R. R greater than T or T less than R, definitely R greater than or equal to T or T less than or equal to R. So both 1 and 2 does not follow. Next. F greater than L. See here. E greater than or equal to F can be written as F less than or equal to E, E greater than or equal to L. So this one does not follow. Then G greater than or equal to D. G greater than E, E less than or equal to D. Therefore this also does not follow. Neither one, not true. Next question. A less than C. Between A and C there is no common symbol. F less than D definitely follows. Second one definitely follows. Next one. K less than P. K less than or equal to L. L less than or equal to M. M is equal to N. N less than or equal to O. O less than or equal to P. Therefore, K less than P does not follow. Then P greater than or equal to K. K less than or equal to P or P greater than or equal to K. So from K to P. From K to P. There is common symbol, I think. See here. K less than or equal to L. L less than or equal to M. M is equal to N. Then N less than or equal to O. Then O less than or equal to P. Therefore, K less than or equal to P or P greater than or equal to K definitely follows. Only 2 follows. Only 2 follows. Next one. S greater than or equal to S greater than L. For that, M less than or equal to S means S greater than or equal to M. M greater than or equal to U. U is equal to L. Therefore, S greater than L does not follow. S greater than or equal to follows, but greater than does not follow. B greater than or equal to D definitely follows. So only one follows. Next question. 5 persons K, L, M and O were born in 5 years starting from 1990. So 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94. These are the years. These are the years. Now, L was born in odd number year but not 1991. So that is definitely 1993. Only one person was there between L and K. So L and K. 2 persons are there between K and O. This is K and O. M was born before N. This is M, this is N. So this is the arrangement. Now come to the questions. See, 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94. M, K, N, L, O. Who is born in 1990? That is M. How many persons are older than N? 2 persons. Then O was born in which year? 1994. Next one. 63 to 65. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. 6 persons work in the same company and get the different salaries. So they are getting different salaries, 6 persons. Only 2 persons are earning less than U. So here you will get U. 2 persons are earning less than U. Q earns more salary than R but less than T. Q earns more salary than R but less than T. Then P earns more than T but is not getting highest. P is not getting highest. So P is getting the second place. Then T, then Q, then R. Here we are having which person? S. The one who gets the third highest salary gets 92,000. That means T is getting 92,000. Then the one who gets second lowest and 35,000. So Q is earning 35,000. Now come to the questions. This is the arrangement we got. Now come to the questions. See, S, P, T, U, Q, R. And salaries. Q is earning 35,000 whereas T is earning 92,000. What is the possible salary of U? It is more than 35, less than 92. So it can be 78. Who is earning the highest salary? S. Who is earning lowest salary? R. Now we will see quantitative aptitude. The age of P 4 years ago is 2 times the age of Q 4 years hence. If the difference of the present age of P and Q is 28 years, then find the age of Q 12 years hence. So here age of P 4 years ago. Here you take P age as X, Q age as Y. Age of P 4 years ago. So X minus 4 is equal to 2 times of Q age 4 years hence Y plus 4. If you do this, X minus 4 is equal to 2Y plus 8, or else X minus 2Y is equal to 12. This is equation 1. The present age of P and Q is 20. The difference of the present age of P and Q 28. So X minus Y is equal to 28. This is equation 2. Now X minus 2Y is equal to 12. X minus Y is equal to 28. X minus Y is equal to 28. Minus plus minus. So we are going to get minus Y is equal to minus 16. So Y value 16. Y value 16 means the present age of Q is 16. If the present age of Q is 16, after 12 years it will be equal to 28 years. 3 is the correct answer. Next. The speed of the train, which is 180 meter long, is crossing is 45 km per hour. It crosses a platform in 24 seconds, while another train crosses the same platform in 36 seconds, having the speed 36 km per hour. Find the length of the second train. Now, the speed of the train is given as 45 km per hour, that you convert into meter per second, multiply with 5 by 18. So, you will get 25 by 2 meter per second. This is the speed of first train. Now distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 25 into, it is crossing in 24 seconds. So we are going to get 25 into 12, that is equal to 300. In this 300 there will be train length plus platform length, out of which train length is 180. So platform length is 300 minus 180, that is 120. Now second train. The second train crosses the same platform in 36 seconds, having the speed 36 km per hour. Second train speed 36 into 5 by 18, that is 10 meter per second, and distance is equal to 10 into, it is crossing in 36 seconds, 360. In this there will be train length and platform length. Already platform length is 120, therefore train length is 240. The second train distance is 240 meters. The length of the second train is 240 meters. Next question. A fraction when it is reversed, let us take the fraction x by y. When it is reversed, it will become y by x. When it is reversed, so when it is y by x, it is increasing by 25%. Increasing by 125% means 225 by 100, that is 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 of the original fraction. What is the original fraction? Xy. Therefore 4 by 9 is equal to x square by y square. Xy is equal to 2 by 3. The original fraction is 2 by 3. That is the correct answer. Next question. Find the number of ways to arrange the letters of the word achievement such that all vowels come together. First you write down the consonants C, H, V, M, N, T. Now vowels A, I, triple E. Now there are totally here 6 consonants and this is taken as 1. Total 7 factorial into, this is 5 vowels, so 5 factorial. Now E is repeated thrice, so 3 factorial. So 7 factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial. This is what we should calculate. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. Here 3 factorial cancel. See, 7 into 6 42, 5 into 4 20, 60, 120, 600, 2400. 42 into 2400. Multiply 42 with 24. Multiply 42 with 24. 4 2s 8 16. 4 8. So 8 10 10. It is 1008, and additionally we should add 2 zeros. 100 800. 4 is the correct answer. Next. 30% of the first number is 12 more than 40% of another number. If the difference of both numbers is 60, find the greatest number. So first number you take it as x, the second number you take it as y. 30% of first number, that is 30x by 100, it is 12 more than 40% of another number. 40y by 100 is equal to 12. Therefore 30x minus 40y is equal to 1200, or else, and the difference of both numbers is 60. X minus y is 60. Now you multiply this one with 30, then it becomes 30x minus 40y is equal to 1200. 30x minus 30y is equal to 1800. Therefore if you change the symbols, minus 10y is equal to minus 600, y value 60. Y value 60. If y value is 60, x minus 60 is equal to 60, x value 120. So greatest number is 123 is the correct answer. Next, find the value of question mark in the following questions. You need not do the exact calculation. Approximate. What is root 196? 14. 20% of 360 means 1 by 5 of 360, that is 72, plus x is equal to 100. Therefore x is equal to 14. 1 is the correct answer. Next, 3318 plus 1252, approximate. So we are getting 4570. This is 825, this is 2235. This it becomes minus 10 6 10 3060. So 4570 minus 3060, 0 1 5 1. It is 1510. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 10 square. 10 square means 100. 10 square means 100. 18 square means 324, plus 12 into 5, 60. So therefore we are going to get 160 plus 324, that is 484. 484 is equal to x square. X is equal to root 484, that is 22. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. 26% of 250. 26 by 100 into 250 plus 32% of 350 plus 10 square means 100. Now do the calculation. 52s, see, 52s to 55s, 2 ones to 2 13s, it is 65, plus this one 52s, 57s, 2 ones to 16, 112 plus 100. So 112 plus 165, 112 plus 65, 177, 170 plus 100, 277, 5. See the next question. Square root of 729 is 27, cube root of 729 9, 10 square 11 square means 121. Total it is 157. 157 means 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 76 to 80. So here there are the number of visitors are there. First you take in the form of the table: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So each line is equal to 10 units. So Monday 120, Tuesday 80, Wednesday 100, Thursday 90, Friday 110, Saturday 140. So Monday 120, Tuesday 80, this is Wednesday 100, Thursday 90, Friday 110, Saturday 140. Now come to the questions. What is the average number of visitors from Monday to Thursday? So Monday to Thursday average visitors: 120 plus 80, 200, 300, 390, 500, 640. So Monday to Thursday only asked, okay. Monday to Thursday, 120 plus 80, 200, 300, 390, So 390, this is 390 divided by 4. 390 by 4 is 195 by 2, that is 97.5. 97.5. 97.5 means 1 is the correct answer. 1 is the correct answer. Now you see the next one. See the next one. If the average number of visitors from Monday and Sunday is 130, that means Monday plus Sunday average 130 means total 260. Already Monday we are having 120. Therefore Sunday is equal to how much? 240. 140. Sunday is equal to 140 because 260 minus 120 it is 140. Now what is the difference of this one? 140 is on Sunday, 120 is on Monday. The difference is 20. Difference is 20. See the next one. The number of visitors on Tuesday is what percent of Saturday? Tuesday we are having 80. Saturday we are having 140. So 8 by 14 into 100 or else 2 4s to 7. 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is always equal to 57 1 by 7 because 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7. 4 by 7 means 14 2 by 7 into 4. 14 into 4 56. This is 8 by 7. 56 8 by 7 is nothing but 57 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is equal to 14 2 by 7. 4 by 7 means 14 2 by 7 into 4. 14 into 4 56. 2 by 7 into 4 8 by 7. 8 by 7 means 1 1 by 7. Totally 57 1 by 7. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. The number of visitors on Friday. The number of visitors on Friday. Friday we are having 110. Is how much of Tuesday and Wednesday? 180. So 11 is how much less than? 110, 180. Friday 110. Tuesday, Wednesday 180. The difference. What is the difference? 70. 70 is the correct answer. See the next question. What is the number of visitors on Wednesday to that of Friday? Wednesday we are having 100. Friday 110. It is nothing but 10 is to 11. 5 is the correct answer. Next question. Find the exact value. 360 into 640 by 240 divided by plus 1. Now for whole this you have to find root. Now see this calculation first. First we will do this calculation. 0 0 cancel. 24 ones, 24 5s. 64 into 15. 15 4 60, 960. 960 plus 1 961. 961 root is 31. 1 is the correct answer. Next one. 41%, 40% of 250. 40% of 250 means how much? 2 by 5 of, 40% of 150. 2 by 5 of 150 plus 30% of 120 is equal to x by 2. So this one first. 60. This is 36. 96 is equal to x by 2. X is equal to 192. 192 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next one. 83. Root x is equal to 144 minus 87.5 can be written as 7 by 8. 7 by 8 into 160. This is 140. 144 minus 144. 4 is equal to root x. X is equal to 16. 4 is the correct answer. Next question. 2 power 8 divided by 16 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power 2 power 4. 16 means 2 power 4 whole square, that is 2 power 8 into 256 can be written as 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power x. 2 power 8 2 power cancel, x value 4. 3 is the correct answer. Next question, 24 plus 15 into 18. So 24 plus 15 into 18. 18 5 is 90, 270. So it is 294 minus 24 into 10, 240, 255. That is how much? 39. 39 is equal to 13 into x. X is equal to 39 by 13. What is 39 by 13? 3. 4 is the correct answer. Next question, 86. See 86 question. 24 into 250 by 75 minus 250 by 25 is 10. Now this one, first you do this one. 25 3s, 25 10s, 3 1s, 3 8s. 80 minus 10, that is 70. 70 is the correct answer. Next question, 87. 450% of 3500, that is 450 into 35 is equal to 225% of 700 means 225 into 7 into 5 into x. Now do the calculation. See, 225 ones, 225 twos, 35, 35 cancel. Therefore, x value is 2. X value is 2. Next question, 88. 2 by 21 into 672 plus 3 by 16 into 512 is equal to x into 8. 21 3s, 21 2s. It is 64. This is 96. That is 160. 160 is equal to 8x. X value 23. 89. 1764 root. What is the root value for 1764? 42. 42 by 21 plus root of 3136 56 is equal to root x. This is 3 is equal to root x. X is equal to 3 square. 3 square value 9. Next question, 90. See the 90th question. 5321 plus 831. 2 5 11 6 1 5 2. 4 8 2 1 289. 10 11 11 5. So 6152 minus 5100. 240. It is 1042. 1042 is the correct answer. Next question, 91. Number series. 10, 17, 27, 42 question mark. See here, this is 7. This is 10. This is 15. So 3 gap, 5 gap, next 7 gap, plus 22. That is 64. Next question. 2, 17, 30, 41 question mark. 15, 13, 11, next to 9. So 41 plus 9, 50. Next 93. 101 question mark, 90, 123, 79, 134. 90, 123, 33. 123, 79, 44, multiples of 11, 55. So 1 time plus 1 time minus. Here minus 22. So x is equal to 90 plus 22. What is 90 plus 22? 112. 3 is the correct answer. 3. Next 94. 458, 228, 112, 53 question mark. See 458 divided by 2 minus 1. This is also divided by 2. 113 minus 1, 112. This is divided by 2 minus 1. This is divided by 2 minus 1. 53 divided by 2, 26.5. Minus 1 minus 458 divided by 2 is 229 minus 1. 114. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. This will be minus 4. Sorry, 26.5 minus 4, that is 22.5. 22.5 is the correct answer. Next, 12, 7, 8, 13, 27 question mark. 12 7. So 12 into 0.5, that is 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2.5 plus 1. 27 into 2.5, 27 into 2 54, 27 into 0.5 is 13.5, therefore it is 67.5 plus 1 is 68.5. 2 is the correct answer. Next, A and B, they entered into a partnership. They invested for same time and B got 4,320 as a share of profit. If the ratio between investment and profit is 25:18, then find B investment. So profit is given as 18x. Profit is 18x, out of which B share is 4,320. So 4,320 by 18x is equal to 240 by x. Therefore B investment, so investment, total investment 25. In this, B investment means 240 by x into 25x. X and x will get cancelled. So we are going to get 6,000. 6,000 is the correct answer. Here total profit is 18x. B share is 4,320. So each part is equal to how much means 4,320 by 18x, that is 240 by x. If profit is 18x, investment will be 25x. Total investment 25x. B investment means 240 by x into 25x, that is 6,000. 5 is the correct answer. Next, an amount earns 600 in 5 years at 8%. 5 into 8 means 40. So 40% is equal to 600. 4 years 11% means 44% equal to how much? More by less. 44 by 40 into 600. So we are going to get to 660. 3 is the correct answer. Next, see the next question. The side of the square is equal to breadth of the rectangle. Area of the square is 36 centimeter square less than area of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 3 greater than breadth. Find area of square. So here side of square is equal to breadth of rectangle, that is given. Take breadth as B, length as L. Area of square is 36 less than area of rectangle. Area of rectangle LB. Area of square means B square, because side of the square is equal to breadth of rectangle, that is given 36. You can take B as common. L minus B 36. Now the length is greater than breadth by 3. So L minus B is nothing but 3. The length is greater than breadth by 3 means L minus B is 3. So B into 3 36. B value 12. If B value 12, side of the square is also 12. We want area of square. Area of square means 12 square. What is 12 square? 144. Next question. A person is covering 36 kilometers downstream in 2 hours, 24 kilometers upstream in 2 hours. Find the ratio of the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. So downstream speed 36 by 2 18. Upstream speed 24 by 2 12. Now if you do further simplification, we will get 6 3s 6 2s. Downstream speed 3, upstream speed 2. Now boat speed is equal to upstream speed plus downstream speed by 2. 3 plus 2, 5 by 2, 2.5. Stream speed is downstream speed minus upstream speed by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So boat speed is 2.5, stream speed 0.5. You have to find the ratio 25:5 or 5:1. 5:1, or else we can do directly. Instead of doing all this, we can do like this only. See here, we got downstream speed is 3 parts, upstream speed 2 parts. Boat speed means 3 plus 2 is 5. Upstream means 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 5:1 is the correct answer. 5:1. See the next one. Rahul spent 60% of the salary in house rent. Total salary 100. House rent 60. House rent and food. This is house rent and food. Out of this, 60 is for house rent and food, in which 70% are house rent. Out of 60, 70%, that means 42 is house rent. Then 18 will be food. Out of this 60, house rent is 42 and 18 is for food. If the difference between house rent and food, 42 minus 18, that is 24, is 12,000. Salary 100 is equal to how much? 100 by 24 into 12,000. So 24 ones, 24 fives. We are going to get 50,000. This is the monthly salary. 50,000 is the monthly salary. So 50,000 is the monthly salary, means option will be 5. 5 is the correct answer. So with this we completed the today's paper. So tomorrow we will start the new paper. Tomorrow we will start the 257 paper. Okay.